Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download NanoCAD 2025, step by step. No cracks, no third-party websites. Only 100% official and safe download from the NanoCAD website. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and search for NanoCAD 2025 official download, or directly, link in description. Always download NanoCAD only from the official NanoCAD website to avoid malware or fake installers. Step 2. Create or log in to your account. To download NanoCAD 2025, you must log in or create a free account. Fill in your name, email address, country. Then click on Register or Log In. Step 3. Choose your version and download now. Select your operating system. Windows 10, Windows 11, 64-bit. Click on Download to start downloading the NanoCAD 2025 setup file. Once you're on the home page, hover over the Product section. Select NanoCAD 2025, and then click on the Download Free button. You will be taken to the NanoCAD Download section, where the latest 2025 version is available for Windows. The file size is around 400 to 600 megabytes, depending on the version. So wait until the setup finishes downloading completely. Once downloaded, you can install it anytime by following the on-screen instructions. That's it! You've successfully downloaded NanoCAD 2025 from the official NanoCAD website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.